In previous class I explained the concepts. What is the quantum theory of radiation? I introduced some quantum theory of radiation concept. Okay, after that I introduced the black body radiation concept. So in this class I explained different types of black bodies. I already in previous class I explained a black body. Black body is two types. So black body is actually it is a black body devices only. Both are black body. Functioning of the device is like a black body, but one black body was explained Ferris and another black body is explained Wiens. Okay, so this is a black body. Black body is two types. Two types. Okay, the first one is Ferris black body. This is called Ferris, and second one is Wiens. So these two are two types of black bodies are there present. Okay, so generally what is a black body? See, this is a Ferris black body. For suppose first I explain the Ferris, what is Ferris black body. So in this diagram you can see the block diagram of Ferris black body. Actually see, this is a I use this color. So this is called nothing but double walled sphere. Actually it is a double walled sphere. Okay, so double walled means inside there is no just empty space. This is all our empty space. Okay, so this is called actually double walled sphere, but this double walled sphere is open with one small end. Okay, so this is nothing but a small aperture. This is open with a small end, so this is called a small aperture. And see, one side of the exact opposite side of the aperture, we have a small projection is there. This projection is called conical projection, and projection means it was a little bit bump, like a bump. Okay, so that bump is called conical projection. Okay, and the inside see, this is actually inside sphere and this is the outside sphere. Okay, it is a double wall sphere. Actually inside is one sphere and outside is one sphere. This inside surface is coated with actually lamp black, that is called lamp black coating. Lamp black means it's a complete black color is coating with inside, so that is called lamp black coating. Okay, and see, I introduce a radiation. Right now I use this. Actually this is the black bodies, Ferris black body. Okay, understand everybody, this Ferris black body, how the body is constructed by we are consider a double walled sphere. With the one end of the sphere is a small aperture is there, that is called open gap, little bit gap, sorry, it's very little bit gap. Okay, so this gap is called aperture, and exact opposite of the aperture we have one a small projection is there, that is called conical projection. Okay, this conical projection is only for the inner surface of sphere only. In outer surface it is completely round. Okay, it's like a ball inside, so it's like a ball. Actually this is the inside is air and this is the outer surface and inner surface of the ball. If you cut the ball, rubber ball, okay, if you cut the rubber ball, what will be it look like this shape inside. Okay, because this is inside surface and these are the actually walls, and this is made with of some two type of circular walls. Okay, so these are the circular walls, and this is also called as double walled sphere. And this double walled sphere, right now it's a conical projection. Inside we are coated with the lamp black color. Okay, so understand everybody. So why we are using this lamp blacking coating inside? Because the inner surface between the walls actually is evacuated to present loss of heat by conduction or convection. So ఈ loss of heat అనేది కండక్షన్ కానీ కన్వెక్షన్ కానీ జరిగినప్పుడు ఎలాంటి లాసెస్ జరగకుండా దీన్ని డిజైన్ చేశారు. ఓకే, సో ఇట్ హ్యాస్ అ స్మాల్ హోల్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద హోల్ actually. It has a small hole. Okay, so I'll write using another color because it is not this is called small hole. So this is a hole. Inside this hole, what will be happen? In opposite we have a conical projection. This conical projection is capital P. Okay, so conical projection is represented capital P and this small aperture is represented capital O. Okay, see, so we are using lamp and black color inside. This is the lamp and black coating inside, and the outside we are coated with nickel. So outside means this surface is coated with nickel coating. Okay, nickel coating. So now this is the actually construction of Ferris black body. So right now working, what will be happen if inside I introduce a sufficient wavelength of light? Okay, then this light having some radiation. So if I am incident a single monochromatic wavelength of light incident inside the double walled sphere. See, so what will happen? So operation, I'll tell you explanation. I'll explain the operation. See, please follow everybody carefully. See, when a single finite beam wavelength of light is incident inside this small aperture. Okay, so what will be happen? So this incident light is directly focused at conical projection. Okay, so if I am not giving this conical projection here, then what will be happen? If the incident wave is this direction, see, now I'll use to another color to explain. If the incident wave is on this direction, okay, what will be happen? If at the walls of the container, again the light is get reflected at the same direction, again it will come to outside. Okay, so that's why to eliminate this situation, here I am using the conical projection. Okay, so what is the help of this conical projection? Because this wave is not accurately that means same direction lo malli venakki raakunda untundi. Okay, understand? So this is a incident wave direction. For suppose this conical projection is not with there, then definitely that wave is reflected again back to the same direction and coming outside. So we want to eliminate that situation. So that's why here we are using a conical projection so when a light is focused and falls at the conical projection, then what will be happen? This light is gets multiple reflection inside the surface. So this reflected light gets multiple reflections inside the double conducting sphere. So finally what will be happen? After some time this light is completely absorbed by this blackened lamp surface. Okay, so completely absorbed by the blackened light surface. So right now this Ferri body is 100% perfectly absorbed body. It behaves like a perfectly absorbed body. So 100% it behaves perfectly black body, because whatever the wavelength I incident, whatever the wavelength means whatever the radiation of suitable wavelength I incident inside the conical projection, then the total radiation gets multiple times reflection and until then it absorbs. Okay, so therefore the complete radiation is emitted by this black body. So that's why it is called 100% it behaves a perfectly black body. So in this way any radiation that enters into the body does not escape and is completely absorbed. Okay, understand? In this way any radiation that enters in the black body, it does not escape and is completely absorbed. So the black body appears like perfectly black body. This black body appears like a perfectly black body. Understand everybody? So this is called Ferri's black body. So that's it's a small explanation. That's all. There is nothing else. Okay, understand everybody? Please note. Please draw this diagram. Note everything. So please respond me. Is it is clear or not? Understand everybody? Please message me. Understand everybody or not? Depends upon your message. I'll proceed. Okay. Actually, Ferri is designing like a double wall sphere type black body, but every time in previous class I explained what is the black body device. Black body, if I right now in previous class I explained I am using a ball type of black body, and only top side of the ball is coated with the black coating. Okay, and some light is incident on that black body, it will be observed. But in the case of Ferri's black body, so the blackened coating, the lamp black coating is coated inside the surface of the double wall cylinder. And after then, if outside, if you incident any wavelength of suitable wavelength of light to this black body, what will happen? It will be escape. There is a chance to escape the light wave, but inside there is no chance. Everything gets number of times reflection, until then it absorbs completely. So that is the only difference between ordinary black body and Ferri's black body. Understand? So it is a very important black body radiation. So Ferri's black body radiation is completely inside black body radiation. That for that purpose, he was considered a double walled sphere. Inside the sphere, uh, uh, we are coated with a lamp black coating. Okay, but this this double wall sphere is a small aperture at one side, and exact opposite side we have used one conical projection, because whenever we are incident a wave, suitable wavelength of radiation to this aperture, then it will focus that directly at conical projection. After focusing, it gets reflected, and inside is completely curved surface. That's why it gets number of times reflected on, until then it absorbs the complete radiation to this black body. So that is called, now it is behaves like a 100% perfectly black body. So the black body appears like a perfectly black body. So this is the concept of Ferri's black body. So please note. So after then I'll move to Wien's black body. By using Wien's black body, actually by using Wien's black body, we have find out the energy distribution of black body radiation. So in Wien's black body, by using this Wien's black body, we can derive energy distribution, energy distribution, energy distribution of black body radiation. So now this is very important. Actually, this is very important. Actually Ferri's black body is only a 5 marks question. Okay, so diagram, you draw the diagram, and after then you write some explanation regarding the Ferri black body. So enough, it is 5 marks question. But Wien's black body is an essay question. It will be expected as essay question. Okay, understand everybody? This is the actual essay question. Using the Wien's black body radiation, we can derive the energy distribution of that black body. Okay, so it's very important essay question. And so it's a very long question. Actually, in tomorrow class I explain all these things. So right now I explain what is actually black body, Wien's black body. Okay, so please note everybody. I'll move to next page. So this is the concept actually. Okay. uh,